here, we did it here. Never driven or ride a go-kart before. Today, you know what, we are going there to try it, so let's go. So today is go-kart day, and today I'm driving or riding go-kart. A lot of people have been hyping it. It's fun to ride. I don't know. Today we're gonna see whether it's fun to ride or not. But what I can assure is that I'm going to do a crazy ride or crazy driving. So let's go have a try. Let's go. go-karting is a very fun game. I never knew it is this fun to ride. It was my first time, like I told you earlier on, but you know what, I enjoyed it. Going all the rounds, you know, starting it was a little tricky to ride it, but when I got a trick, man, I enjoyed it. You saw me doing some little drifting and all that, and that is an opportunity for anyone who wants to, you know, learn how to drift. If you want to learn how to do drifting with a car, you can use a go-kart to start doing your drifting and then advance to cars. It also gives you an opportunity to someone who doesn't know how to ride to also learn how to, you know, drive. So if you want to learn how to drive in, I think you can use go-karting to start. Learn how to control the steering, learn how to control the paddles, I mean the brakes, and then accelerator and all that, and how to navigate within you know, the road. So go-karting is really fun, and I mean you enjoy it, especially if you have other people, you know, with you and you are all riding, going back and forth. It's really fun to ride. So try go-karting one day, and if you ever tried it, let me hear from you in the comment section. If you have never tried it before and you want to go try it because of my recommendation, let me also hear from you in the comment section. Let's stay in motion. This I am in motion, and we are always in motion. Subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share the video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Peace.